Okay, so we want to talk now about unit conversions when some of the units are raised to a power. So let's start with talking about yards and feet, right? So we know 1 yard is 3 feet, right? So 1 yard squared is 1 yard times 1 yard, right? So if I instead now think about these yards as feet, and I say it's 3 feet times 3 feet, 3 times 3 is 9, feet times feet is feet squared. So 1 yard squared becomes 9 feet squared. And you could see that here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to remember to do that in conversions where the units have powers. Okay, so we've got how many cubic yards of soil are needed to fill a planter that is 20 feet long by 3 feet wide by 4 feet tall. So we have a planter okay, not necessarily to scale here, and it is 20 feet long and it's 3 feet wide, and then it's going to be 4 feet tall. Clearly not to scale. So first let's talk about the volume. So you have a couple of choices at this point. I can work the problem in feet, then change to yards, or I can change it to yards now. I think that I would prefer to just go ahead and work it out and then change it to yards. So volume's going to be, right, length times width times height. So okay, and so that's going to be equal to 20 times 3 is 60, so 240 cubic feet, right? All right, so now let's do the conversion from cubic feet to cubic yards. So the volume is going to be 240 feet cubed, right? But I need to get rid of feet cubed, so I need feet to be in the denominator. And what would be the conversion factor? It would be 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. And since I have volume and it's cubed, I'm going to have to do that 3 times. All right, so now I have feet cubed here, and then I have feet, feet, and feet. So these will successfully cancel each other out. All right. And now we're going to do the actual math on that, and it's going to be 240 divided by 3, right? Divided by 3, divided by another 3. And we get 8.88 cubic yards, because we have yard times yard times yard, so we get 8.88 cubic yards.